I'll show you how to add simultaneous translation to a YouTube video. For this tutorial, I will choose a small video that I think is interesting to share on my site. I go to the Economist site which I like, on which I find interesting videos of very good quality. Correcting texts will be all the easier if you choose videos with good quality narration. I will choose this video.
Every night, almost everyone on the planet enters into a body clock located in the brain.
I copy the YouTube link, and I paste it in this area of the IMEA-STUDIO editor. I check that the language detected is indeed the original language of the video. If not, you need to select that language for text detection to work properly. I run detection. Detection is a process that takes a bit of time depending on the length of the video. This step consists of retrieving the audio part of the video, then detecting the texts and creating correctly positioned text blocks on the timeline. I will now select the language with which I want to perform the simultaneous translation. As the original language is English and I do not master this language well enough to be able to correct the texts, I will first translate it into French. I start the translation. The work of correcting the text will depend on the quality of the narration of the video. The block's blue coloring informs you that the duration of the voiceover corresponding to this text may be longer than the duration of the original. Don't worry about it just yet. When I would choose a voice, an adaptation of the blocks will be done automatically. You can see that the translation is perfect and requires very little editing. When I am satisfied with the text, I choose a voice.
Mais que se passe-t-il vraiment?
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 I generate the voiceover for all texts.
Chaque nuit, presque tout le monde sur la planète entre dans un état d'inconscience et de paralysie. Mais que se passe-t-il vraiment à l'intérieur du corps quand on s'endort? Et quel est l'impact si nous ne dormons pas assez?
The end result is to mix the original audio judiciously dosed with the voiceover. An auto attenuation makes this simultaneous translation very realistic. Now I will add this YouTube video to my WordPress site. I refresh the videos. I see my new video has been added. I will copy the title and description of the video and translate them using Google Translate for example. Then I paste them in the fields corresponding to the French language. I post the video. I select a category. I go to my site and see that the video has been added. I forgot to upload the audio file. I go back to the editor. If you perform simultaneous translations in several languages, consider downloading the audio file for each of the languages.
Chaque nuit, presque tout le monde sur la planète entre dans un état d'inconscience et de paralysie. Mais que se passe-t-il vraiment à l'intérieur du corps quand on s'endort?
YouTube videos are viewed with a YouTube player. Views remain for the benefit of the author and YouTube. The principle is to synchronize the video with an independent audio player which will play an audio file corresponding to the simultaneous translation. Remember to save your project regularly as you go through the different stages. I invite you to watch the tutorial on installing and configuring the WordPress plugin on a site.